Hello! Today I'd like to share with you how to make Korean soul food kimchi pancake. Like every Korean person, I also have some memories of this food, and the taste that my mother made kimchi jjigae for me is still alive in my mind. Usually we just eat kimchi as a side dish until it has fresh taste, and after a few months when it became fermentation well, sour taste, then we use the kimchi in our cooking, like stew, fried rice, pancake, etc. Kimchi pancake also has a better taste when you make it with sour kimchi. So I'm going to use kimchi that my family made for the last winter. Now it perfectly has a good taste for using our pancake. In addition, I'm going to use only kimchi today, but you can add some other ingredients if you want to, like pork, tuna, squid, cheese, whatever. So you can have your own special recipe. Let's get started. Now let's bring a big bowl and add 1 cup of Korean pancake mix. After that, add 3 or 5 tablespoons of kimchi juice into the cup. Fill it with water and pour them into the bowl. And add red pepper powder, sugar, and an egg. I'm going to mix it roughly. If the batter has a creamy concentration like a cream soup, then your batter is done. Next, please chop the sour kimchi into small pieces so that our pan frying will be easier. Add chopped kimchi, thinly sliced onion, and mix them with the batter. This is a little tip. If you keep stirring it, then the crispy texture will be gone, so please make sure not to stir them too much. Now I'm going to pan fry our kimchi pancake. Preheat the pan over medium heat. Scoop the batter on the pan and spread it. It tastes better when it is fried thinly, so please make it thinly. And when the edge looks crispy brown, then flip it over and cook well on the other side. It's done. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good week. Bye.